Shampoo bars. Some people get on with them straight away and other people don't. I just wanted to do a video that I'm going to embed somewhere on the Facebook page or on the website or something, so that it's like a frequently asked questions, because I keep getting asked an awful lot. My hair doesn't seem to be responding to it, it feels sticky, it feels weird, so I just thought I'd do a once and for all video to cover all bases, to just explain about natural shampoos. Okay, those that have used other shampoo bars from other companies that are little round hockey puck type things and look like hundreds and thousands, they're basically compressed sodium laureth sulfate needles. Sodium laureth sulfate is the foaming agent in nearly everything that foams, whether it's shampoo, shower gel, liquid soap, washing up liquid, clothes washing liquid, dishwasher detergent, even down to the stuff that you use to remove grease when you scrub garage floors and Swafiga, anything like that, has sodium laureth sulfate in it. Now, sodium laureth sulfate is a palm-based surfactant, a foaming agent, and when that's used in shampoos, on your hair, on your dishes, on your clothes, on your floor, it strips grease, it strips oil, and it strips any kind of moisture from the floor, from your skin, from your hair. It actually also strips away the natural flora and bacteria, the natural moisture barrier that your skin and hair has, in order to protect it. And what happens is that your skin, once you've used it, your skin feels really smooth, your hair feels really smooth and shiny and lovely. It's because basically it's had everything stripped out of it and it's just like a husk. It can take up to 40 minutes for your skin to regain its natural moisture barrier, and so when that's used, a sodium laureth sulfate shampoo is used on your scalp, then it can, it can sort of have a detrimental effect. Now, enter the natural shampoo bar. Some customers actually think that maybe they've got the wrong product, maybe they're using conditioner or something, because the first couple of times you use it, it doesn't really foam a whole lot. It can feel really weird. When I first brought them out, I used the word squonky. It's not squeaky, it's wonky, it's weird. It actually sometimes feels like you've got like hairspray stuck in your hair or product stuck in your hair. The first sort of week or so that you use it, probably the first 10 times of using it is an adjustment period. It's for you to adjust how your hair now feels, and for your hair and your scalp to adjust to not being stripped every time it's washed. I mean, you probably had this as a baby, right from being a baby, your mum washing your hair with lovely No More Tears shampoo, sodium laureth sulfate, so even from birth your hair's being stripped, so you've never known what your actual natural hair feels like. I have done a video of actually me with clothes in the shower washing my hair, so I was just explaining how it works and how it feels and everything, and that's around, so have a search for it. It's on YouTube and it will be on the Facebook page as well. But when you use these natural shampoos, they do feel different, and it took me nearly 3 weeks to adjust. And what I would say is, if you really are serious about going plastic free, sulfate free, then please persevere. Just give it a chance. I mean, I'm not saying it's going to work in 100% of cases, but I haven't had anybody give up yet, which is fantastic. So yeah, just to say, like, when you're washing your hair, maybe when you first start using it, do it twice, and then use some of the conditioner, not necessarily on the scalp, just through the ends of your hair. But the shampoo literally just needs to be stroked through your hair, through the back if you've got long hair. If you've got short hair, it's a lot less problematical. and just shampoo as normal. But when you wash it out, it washes out really quick, because it's not like sometimes you're shampooing like sulfate based shampoo, you're shampooing it out for ages because it seems to be stuck in your hair, and that's all the nice moisture and everything lovely coming out of your hair. When you wash your hair with a natural shampoo bar, it rinses out really quick, and it feels heavy and it feels weird and it feels thick, and that's your actual hair. That's your hair with its natural moisture barrier in it that is good for your hair. So it is a different feeling, but it does get better. It really, really does get better. I've been nearly a year without using bottle shampoo. I wouldn't go back. I even went to the hairdressers and took my own shampoo bar because I wouldn't have anything else, because I don't want to go through that adjustment phase again. And my hair has never been in such good condition. I'm so pleased that I made the swap, because not only has it saved an awful lot of bottles, it's better value, it's better for the planet, it's better for my skin, it's better for my hair, and it's better all round. So if you are struggling and you've just started using natural shampoo, do persevere. I've got various blogs and videos about this, or just message me directly if you are having problems. But although I am getting an awful lot of people messaging now, so it's getting, you know, do I sit and do all the messages or do I make products? So that's why I'm doing videos to sort of cover all bases. So I will probably just tag you in videos or send you videos that are explaining it sort of once and for all. So I hope that makes sense. I hope you're having a great time with your natural shampoos and conditioners. If you're struggling, as I say, perseverance is key, and you will get